Dear brothers and sisters, Om Shanti. What if the tiredness you feel is not only from work? What if the anxiety, heaviness, and mental fog inside you are silently entering through the food and water you consume every single day? In 2026, the world has become faster, louder, and emotionally heavier than ever before. Food is processed in stress, water travels through polluted environments, meals are eaten while the mind is full of fear, anger, pressure, and distraction. But ancient spiritual wisdom says something powerful. Food is not just nutrition, it is energy. And today, you're about to learn a simple soul conscious practice that can transform every meal into healing energy. Modern society taught us to see food only as calories, protein, sugar, vitamins. But spiritual awareness reveals something deeper. Everything carries vibration. Water carries memories. Food absorbs emotion. And the energy surrounding preparation affects the energy we consume. When food is prepared in stress, fear, impatience, or emotional imbalance, those subtle vibrations remain. This doesn't mean we fear food, it means we become conscious. Many people today feel mentally exhausted even after eating enough. Why? Because nourishment is not only physical, it is informational. The body consumes vibration along with matter. When we constantly consume low energy environments, distracted eating habits, and emotionally polluted atmospheres, the mind slowly loses clarity. And this is why many souls today feel emotionally heavy without understanding why. Interestingly, modern research is beginning to explore what ancient spiritual tradition practiced for centuries. Studies around human intention, emotional frequency, and biofield interaction suggest that focused emotional states can influence physical systems. Peaceful intention affects the nervous system. Gratitude changes hormonal responses. Mindful eating improves digestion and emotional regulation. And spirituality, Raj Yoga teaches something even more beautiful. The soul is a source of living vibration. When the conscious becomes peaceful, that vibration radiates outward. Even a few seconds of silent gratitude before eating changes the emotional environment of the meal. This is why many spiritual traditional bless food before consumption. Not because of ritual alone, but because of consciousness influences experience. The energy you carry while eating becomes part of what the body absorbs. Now let us practice something simple. Before your next sip of water, before your next bite of food, pause. Just for a few seconds. Bring your awareness to the center of your forehead. Remember, I am a peaceful soul. Now gently shift awareness to the heart space. Take one slow breath and silently radiate gratitude into the food or water before you. Not forced words, just peaceful intention. You may silently think, may this food become pure energy. May this water carry peace. May this nourish my mind, body, and soul. At first, nothing dramatic may happen, but slowly you begin to feel a shift. The mind becomes quieter, the body relaxes, the meal feels lighter. That moment is the beginning of vibrational transformation. You do not need to escape modern life to practice this. Even in busy environments, you can remain soul conscious. Before eating at work, pause for 5 seconds. Before drinking water, send one peaceful thought. While cooking, maintain calm energy. While shopping, choose food with awareness instead of emotional impulse. The small moments slowly retrain the nervous system. Many people experience better digestion, reduced emotional eating, improved clarity, more peaceful sleep, greater emotional balance because the body responds differently when nourishment is received with peace instead of stress. Every peaceful meal creates more than personal, contributes to collective healing. The world today suffers not only from physical pollution but mental pollution, fear, anger, anxiety, emotional overload. But when millions of souls begin eating with gratitude, drinking water with awareness, and radiating peace into daily life, the collective emotional atmosphere begins to change. This is how spiritual transformation truly begins. not only in temples, not only in meditation rooms, but at the dining table. One conscious sip, one peaceful meal, one elevated thought at a time. So, today, before your next meal, remember this simple truth: food feeds the body, but consciousness feeds the soul. Om Shanti.